So, you've probably heard of Shilajit, right? It's all over the internet. But what's the real story behind it? Today, we're diving into a popular health video that claims most of us are only seeing a tiny piece of the puzzle.
Okay, honest question for you. When I say the word Shilajit, what's the very first thing that pops into your head? Just take a second. You got something in mind? Great. Because whatever you just thought of, well, according to our source material, that's barely scratching the surface. There's a much bigger story here.
All right, let's just jump right in and tackle the biggest misconception first. Let's get this one out of the way.
So, for a lot of people, Shilajit is filed away as a supplement strictly for men, specifically for sexual performance. But the video we're looking at makes a completely different claim. It argues that this is a powerful health ingredient for everyone. That's a pretty big deal and a huge shift in perspective.
Okay, so if it's for everyone, then what's it supposed to do? Let's explore all these other health claims being made.
And wow, the list is surprisingly long. We're talking about a whole range of benefits, from things like strengthening your immune system and reducing stress, to helping maintain cholesterol levels, improving mental focus, and even boosting your energy for daily life and for your workouts. It's really presented as an all-around body supporter. In fact, the person in the video literally says that if they were to list out all the supposed benefits, the video would just get way too long. The message is crystal clear. This isn't some niche one-trick pony. It's being pitched as a full-body wellness supplement.
But wait, where does this stuff even come from? And how do you know if you're getting the good stuff? Let's get into purity, its origins, and the different forms you might find it in.
So what is Shilajit really? Well, the video explains it's this natural kind of tar-like substance that oozes out of rocks in the Himalayan mountains. It's formed over centuries as plants and organic matter decompose. And it's supposedly packed with minerals and a key compound called fulvic acid, which is thought to help your body absorb all those nutrients better.
But here's the catch, and it's a big one. Not all Shilajit is created equal. It generally comes in 3 main forms, and the video has a very strong opinion on which one is the purest and most effective.
And you can see it right here. The liquid form is ranked way at the top, considered the most pure and powerful. The solid or resin form is in the middle, still pretty good. And then way down at the bottom, you have capsules, likely because they can have added binders or fillers.
Now, to make this all a bit more real, the source video actually points to a specific product as an example of what they consider to be a high-quality Shilajit supplement.
The product is called 24-karat Shilajit from a company named God's Care Herbals. It's an herbal product, and they claim it has 24-karat purity, basically meaning no additives or adulteration. They also claim no side effects, and no surprise here, it comes in that liquid form that the video recommends. But listen, this next part is maybe the most important takeaway from the whole thing. According to the source, just taking the supplement on its own isn't enough. There's a secret to unlocking its full potential.
And this really gets to the heart of the matter with any supplement, right? Is it a magic pill? Can you just take it and expect incredible results without changing anything else in your life?
Well, the video's answer is a hard no. To get what they call double the benefits, you have to combine the supplement with maintaining your fitness and getting regular exercise.
And that's really the bottom line here. The key takeaway is that supplements like Shilajit are designed to support a healthy lifestyle, not to replace it. The two are meant to work together to get the best results.
So, after hearing this bigger picture, seeing Shilajit framed as a broad wellness tool that works hand in hand with an active lifestyle, does it change how you think about natural supplements in general? Just something to think about. That's all for today. See you next time.